12 hidden car maintenance tips you need to know. Did you know that most car owners waste hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars on avoidable repairs? The worst part? Mechanics won't tell you how to prevent them because they profit from your mistakes. But today, I'm revealing 12 car maintenance secrets that can extend your car's life, prevent costly breakdowns, and save you thousands. And trust me, the last tip on this list is a game changer. Most people don't do it, but it can add years to your car's lifespan. Let's get into it. 1. Stop parking in the sun. Long-term sun exposure can crack your dashboard, fade paint, and weaken interior materials. Always park in the shade or use a sunshade to block harmful UV rays. If you don't have a garage, apply a ceramic coating to protect your paint. Crack your windows slightly in a safe area to prevent overheating. UV damage can also dry out rubber seals, leading to leaks over time. Bonus tip: if you live in a snowy area, avoid parking under trees. Falling ice or branches can damage your car. 2. Rotate your tires or pay the price. Most people ignore tire rotation, but this leads to uneven tire wear, higher fuel consumption, faster tire replacement, more dollar. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear. Check tire pressure once a month. Low pressure causes faster wear. Uneven tire wear can increase stopping distance, making driving less safe. Pro tip: if your car pulls to one side or the steering wheel vibrates, get your wheels balanced and aligned. 3. Flush your radiator before it's too late. Coolant doesn't last forever. It breaks down, collects rust, and clogs your radiator. Flush your radiator every 2 years to prevent overheating and corrosion. Old coolant can turn into sludge, damaging your water pump and thermostat. If your engine overheats, you could crack the cylinder head, leading to an expensive repair bill. Did you know? A clogged cooling system can reduce fuel efficiency by 10% or more. 4. Don't ignore your windshield wipers. Most drivers wait until they can barely see to replace their wipers. Big mistake. Worn-out wipers equals streaks, smudges, and poor visibility. Replace them every 6-12 months, even if they look fine. Dirt buildup on wipers can scratch your windshield, costing you even more money. Pro tip: use rain-repellent treatments on your windshield for better visibility in bad weather. 5. Battery corrosion will leave you stranded. A corroded battery interrupts the power flow and leads to hard starts, dim lights, a dead battery at the worst moment. Check your battery terminals every 3 months for buildup. Clean with baking soda plus water, then apply petroleum jelly to prevent future corrosion. Loose battery cables? Tighten them to avoid power loss. Fact: a failing battery can also damage your alternator, a much more expensive fix. 6. Wash your undercarriage or watch it rust. Most people never clean the undercarriage, leading to rust and corrosion. Dirt, salt, and moisture build up over time, weakening your car's structure. Use a high-pressure hose or go to a car wash with undercarriage cleaning at least once a month. Apply an anti-rust coating before winter to add extra protection. Did you know? Rust can spread like cancer, causing structural damage that reduces your car's value. 7. Misaligned wheels equals money down the drain. Driving with bad wheel alignment causes increased tire wear, worse fuel economy, poor handling in wet conditions. Check alignment once a year or whenever you notice uneven tire wear or a crooked steering wheel. Hitting potholes or curbs can throw your alignment off, so get it checked after any hard impact. Proper alignment saves you money on tires and fuel. Bonus tip: if your car drifts left or right on a straight road, it's a sign your alignment is off. 8. Worn brake pads will destroy your rotors. Damage your rotors, $dollar repair. Decrease stopping power. Make your car unsafe. Listen for squealing sounds. That's the wear indicator telling you it's time for new pads. Check brake pads every 6 months and replace them if they're less than 1/4 inch thick. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, making your brakes less effective. Flush it every 2-3 years. Bad brakes can increase stopping distance by over 20 feet. That's the difference between stopping safely or a crash. 9. Using the wrong coolant will cost you. Not all coolant is the same. Using the wrong type can cause engine damage. Check your owner's manual for the correct coolant type. Never mix different coolant types. It can cause clogging and overheating. Pro tip: check coolant levels monthly, especially before long trips. 10. Neglecting door hinges leads to expensive fixes. Over time, hinges dry out, causing squeaks, stiffness, or door misalignment. Apply silicone spray to door hinges every 6 months. 11. A dirty cabin air filter hurts your HVAC system. A clogged cabin air filter means less airflow, bad smells inside your car, more strain on your heating and cooling system. Replace every 12,000–15,000 miles, more often in dusty areas. A clean filter improves air quality and extends your HVAC system's life. 12. Ignoring small leaks will cost you big time. A tiny leak today can turn into a massive repair bill tomorrow. Check under your car weekly for signs of leaks. Dark brown, black stains equals oil leak. Green, orange, pink stains equals coolant leak. Reddish stains equals transmission fluid. Clear, yellowish stains equals brake fluid. Fix leaks ASAP before they lead to major damage. If you smell burning oil or sweet coolant, there's a leak somewhere. Don't ignore it. Taking care of your car pays off. Most car problems don't happen overnight. They build up because of neglect and bad habits. Follow these simple maintenance tips, and you'll extend your car's life, avoid breakdowns, and save thousands. A little effort now prevents expensive repairs later. Want more expert car tips? Tell us your story in the comments below. Hit like and subscribe so you never miss out. See you in the next video.